We are pleased to show you the 2019 Colorado. Great hauling capability, powerful, rugged, and a great Chevy price. Colorado is it. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, sliding rear window, tow hitch, heated mirrors, bed liner, aluminum wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, tires, front all-terrain, tires, rear all-terrain, heated steering wheel. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.